Welcome. My name is Caro Sanderson, and today I'll be presenting a workshop called Getting to Know Articulate Quizmaker 13. The goal of this workshop is to introduce you to Articulate Quizmaker, demonstrating how to create a basic assessment. Specifically, we'll talk about key features of the Articulate software. We'll create two different types of graded questions. We'll modify question elements including the question, the answer, the feedback, the score, and some basic visual elements. We'll preview the question and the project, and publish the quiz. Before diving into building the assessment, let's talk about Articulate. Articulate is a software company that creates e-learning software tools. It was founded by Adam Schwartz in 2002. Articulate believes that software should be powerful and simple to use. Well-designed content deepens learner engagement and understanding, and it takes more than great software to help customers succeed. In fact, Articulate has a very robust community that supports not just technical issues, but promotes learning, creativity, and problem solving. Let's take a look at one of the great community features now. Tom Kuhlman has an e-learning blog which is emailed and posted weekly and focuses on one instructional design tip each week. Tom's blog posts are engaging, relevant, and often provide new insights into known topics. Articulate Quizmaker 13 is part of the Articulate Studio 13 software package. Each product can be used as a standalone software, but components can be integrated into other Studio products. If you are familiar with Adobe's Creative Suite, think of this as an analogy to Photoshop, InDesign, and Illustrator working together. The Quizmaker tool can be used in a variety of ways, but as the name implies, its main purpose is as an assessment tool. It offers a variety of question formats, flexibility with feedback and number of attempts, the ability to make questions visually engaging, and allows for control over passing results. Best of all, no programming is required. Let's dive in by creating a simple assessment with Quizmaker 13. If you have not already done so, download the trial version from the website here. You will need to download the entire Studio package, but this workshop will just focus on Quizmaker. And a side note, you will need to create an Articulate username and password. This should be a quick process. When you're ready, launch Quizmaker, and then select New Quiz. We are going to create a quiz about some basic color theory concepts. Let's start by creating the first question. Click on Graded Question. A window appears with all the question types available in Quizmaker. In this workshop, we'll explore 3, starting with multiple response. Click on that option and then click Insert. Now we'll enter the question. What are the 3 primary colors? And enter the choices. Red, orange, yellow, blue, green. Now I need to select the correct answers for this question. I'll put a check next to red, yellow, and blue. I can customize my feedback by coming down here, selecting the generic feedback, and replacing it. Yes. Red, yellow, and blue are our primary colors. I can also change the point value over here, but for now, I'll leave it at 10. I also want to change the number of times a user can try to answer this question in the attempts box. I could change it to 9, 7, 5, 2. I think I'll stick with 2 for now. Okay, great. My question has auto-saved, and I'm ready to build a new one. I'll go back to the Questions tab and click Graded Question to build a new question. This time I'm going to build a matching drag and drop question and click Insert. Again, I'm going to enter the question, Secondary colors are created by combining primary colors. Match the combination of primary colors to the resulting secondary color. Now I'll enter my answers. Yellow and blue make green. Blue and red make purple. Yellow and red make orange. We've been creating questions so far in the form view, but let's take a look at the slide view. We can customize all sorts of features here, including the text. In order to make the text more meaningful, I'm going to change the color of the words to the color that they represent. I'll change the yellow word to be a yellow color. And I'll change blue to be blue. And it might look better in bold. I'll do that too. I'm going to go ahead and do that for each of the questions. Okay, great. That's done. Now I want to try it out. See what it looks like. I'm going to the Preview tab and preview the slide. These puzzle pieces fit together. I can try to match them up to the correct answers and see if it works. I've matched them and it looks like it works. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and create a new question. This question is auto-saved, and I'll come back to the Questions tab. I'll click Graded Question, and this time I'm going to create a hotspot question. I'm going to enter my question. Select the portion of the color wheel that shows the complementary color of orange. Then I'm going to select the image and upload the image. Next I'm going to add the hotspot. Draw the hotspot over the orange color. And resize it. Great. Now I'm going to try out the question and see what it looks like. I'll go to Preview, the slide, and it'll load. Select the portion of the color wheel that shows the complementary color of blue. We know that the answer is orange, but let's try a wrong answer. We've selected purple, and it's indicated by the pulsing icon, and it's incorrect. So let's just replay it, the slide, and select the correct answer, which is orange. Looks like it's correct. That's great. Now we've successfully built 3 questions. Let's return to the Questions tab. We can quickly change the number of attempts in this column here. Let's change them all to be 2. And let's change the point values of the last question from 10 to 30. I want to set up my passing score, and I can do that in the quiz properties. First I'll enter the quiz name, Introduction to Color Basics, and I'm going to change my passing score to 60% and hit OK. Now we'll go to the Edit Results button, and this shows the results page after the quiz has been completed. There are 2 layers, a success layer and a failure layer, and we can customize each. On the success layer, we're just going to change the type. You've mastered some color theory basics. Great job. Okay, wonderful. Let's preview the entire quiz. We have 3 questions. It's loading. First question, what are the 3 primary colors? Orange, blue, green, yellow. Oh, it looks like I got one wrong. I'm going to unselect green and select blue. Yes, I got it right. Correct. Wonderful. This is our matching drag and drop. I'm going to match the colors to the correct answers. I got it wrong. I'm going to try again. And this should work now. Yes, I got it right. Okay, I think I intentionally want to get this one wrong so that I don't pass the quiz so you can see those results. Okay, and this is the results page. A passing score was 60, my score was 40, I didn't pass. Okay, Quizmaker has a variety of publishing options. You might want to try publishing to the web to see what it looks like in a browser, but for this workshop we'll just publish to a Word document. So select Word, make sure that this tab says All Question Elements, and then select Publish. When it's done, you can view the document. The document will have an overview of the quiz at the beginning, and then on the next page it will have each question, the correct answers, and the feedback. As you can see, Quizmaker is a powerful tool for creating online assessments. Not only does it offer a variety of question types, the software allows you to customize feedback, points, passing results, and much more. With Quizmaker, you can engage your creativity using images, videos, and much more to create visually stimulating and more authentic assessment experiences for your learners.